If you have a couple hundred channels with your new streaming TV service, you may find it challenging to scroll through dozens of channels to get to the one that you'd like to watch. So just like your old school remote control, you can enter a channel number with your Amazon remote to get right to the channel that you want to watch without scrolling. And here is how you do it. From the on-screen channel guide, simply press and hold the center of your remote control ring to open up a channel number pad. From here, pressing up, down, left, or right on your remote ring, select a number and press the center on your remote ring until you have entered your favorite channel number. Now use your remote ring controls to highlight Next, and then press the center of your remote ring, which will take you to the channel that you want to watch. And then just press play pause on your remote, and you're watching TV in seconds without scrolling through the channels.